say that you're leaving and you're ready to go. Cause you thought I was
Sige,
kidding,
Seth.
but I
Sige,
don't
Seth.
think
Ano
you
naman yan,
wanna
Seth?
know. And I think it seems better this way. And it seems like you're breathing, but you're already dead to
Dinadala lang
me.
kaya siya.
Sipaw, sipaw, sipaw.
Maybe my
Dumidilim?
shy to be, but it's so damn thoughtless and I'm not gonna lose with any of these things you say. You're not nothing anyway, just a faceless name. And what did you say? You're not telling me that you are the kind of good. No one wants to go. No one wants to go. And I'm sure you might be too deep. And the rocket
Seth.
you scream that you're leaving and you're
Tapos
ready
isa
to go. Cause you thought I was kidding, but I don't think you wanna know. When I think it seems better this way. And it seems like you're breathing, but you're already dead to me.
Sis, ano kaya siya kumakanta? Si
Ayoko
Imong
na
K.
iya ako.
Already dead.
Imong K.
Imong K.
Hindi mo ka ba?